So to make the magic circle, here at Kelladream, we use the magic circle tool. You're going to set it up with the groove facing towards you, then insert your yarn into the top slit. Then you'll wrap around twice to make an X and grab the excess yarn, just kind of hold onto it with your finger. Then you're going to insert your hook facing down under the first loop, grab onto the second, pull under and twist. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through to make a slip stitch. Then you're going to go back under, grab the yarn, and pull it under so you have 2 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through those 2 loops, making a single crochet. Then you're going to make another single crochet. And you'll do this as many times as is called for in your pattern. So if it says magic circle 6, you're going to single crochet 6 times and make sure you have 6 V shapes at the end. Use your hook to lightly pull on that loop just so you don't lose your place, and use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Then you're going to remove the yarn from the top slit and gently pull your circle off the tool. I like to insert my hook back into that big loop at this point. Then you're going to pull on that shorter piece of yarn to tighten up your magic circle. Hold the end of the yarn in your hand. Wrap it around a couple of fingers, make an X. Then, while keeping that loose piece of string still in your hand, you're going to tuck the yarn under and create a little loop. Then you're going to release the yarn that's on your fingers and pull to tighten. To make a slip stitch, put the loop on the hook, then yarn over and pull through that loop. To make a chain, simply continue making slip stitches. To make a single crochet, start with 1 loop on your hook, go into a stitch, grab the yarn, and pull through partially. Now you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both of those loops. That's a single crochet stitch. To do a half double crochet, you'll start with a loop on your hook. Then before going into a stitch, you'll wrap the yarn around your hook. So you have 2 loops on your hook. And then you go into the stitch. Pull the yarn through partially, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over again and pull through all 3 of those loops. To do a treble crochet, you're going to start with 1 loop on your hook, then wrap around twice, so you have 3 loops. Hold those loops and insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, so you have 4 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through just the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through just the second 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. To do an increase is very simple. We're just going to do a single crochet, and then we're going to do a second single crochet back into the same stitch. And that is a single increase. To do a decrease, we will insert a hook into the front loop of 1 stitch and then into the front loop of the next stitch. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through those first 2 front loops. So we have 2 loops on our hook, and then yarn over and pull through again.